name is Jes Min. I'm the co-founder of Recommend.my, Malaysia's #1 home services platform. This MCO has been quite an interesting and challenging one for us. We find that customers are staying at home and they are using their air cons, their fridges and their washing machines to the max, getting a lot of requests for servicing. But one thing they are afraid of is to invite strangers into their home. So what we have done is to really strengthen and enforce health and safety standards across all our service professionals. They all follow a 5-step process. The first one is to make sure that they take their temperature every day before reporting to work. They also wear masks all day. They have to sanitize their hands before and after meeting a customer. They have to stand more than 1 meter away from the customer, and they collect online payments. We found that after we communicated these 5-step standards to our customers, they feel a lot more comfortable about engaging our services. We have also arranged and will launch this week the first ever medical, personal accident and protection for our service professionals in the rare case that they actually contract COVID-19 on the job. Do you know any other service professionals that are struggling during this period and could really do with some help with sustaining and growing their businesses? If yes, please forward this to them and tell them about us. We are so happy to help them during this period. This time might be a very difficult one for SMEs. So I hope that during this time you have the strength, the courage and also the conviction to continue, because after this period is over, your business will be so much stronger than what it was before. Bye bye.